Have a great day mga people of God. Welcome to my channel, Sir Anton Channel.Info. Do subscribe now and click all the notification bell para ma-update ka sa aking mga bagong videos. More videos to come. Alright mga people of God, in today's info or topic, let us discuss about the 7 in-demand ICT or IT careers here in the Philippines. Tapusin mo ang video ito for you to know about the detailed career opportunity, especially when it comes to IT specialist or IT expert. Of course, nowadays, high-tech na ang takbo ng ating buhay, especially when it comes to businesses. Some businesses are launching through online stores, selling online with different platforms. Like for example, pa-TikTok man yan o Twitter, and the companies using all types of software and digital tools in their daily operations. Ibig sabihin, in-demand na talaga ang mga ICT professionals nowadays. Companies needs experts. Kailangan nila ng mga itong mga tasking or trabaho. Okay? So, for you to apply in their businesses or in their companies, especially if you are tech people, bagay ay tech. So, if you are a current or aspiring ICT major, marami pong career opportunities about that particular ICT career na maaring magbukas ng pinto sa iyo for this opportunity, career opportunity. The information and communications technology focuses on all things about communication, including the internet, wireless networks, and cell phones. So, nandito po yung list of in-demand careers, especially when it comes to ICT course. So, the ICT specialist or IT specialist or IT experts. So, panoorin nyo itong mga video ito in details. I-discuss ko sa inyo yung mga in-demand na trabaho about ICT. Alright, mga people of God, here's a list of in-demand careers you can pursue after you finish your ICT or IT course. The average salaries are based on available data in payscale.com. So you may look on that website, payscale.com. Salaries may vary from case-to-case basis. Okay? So, the number one in-demand career when it comes to IT course, after you finish that course, is computer programmer. With an average salary of 205.048 thousand per year.
Yes!
Computer programmers code, create or customize computer programs, and debug software. Ito po yung kanilang mga tasking. Based on the 2019 DOLE report on labor market trends. So you may look on that site under DOLE, Department of Labor and Employment. So computer programming ay isa sa pinakamataas or highest paying jobs, dito sa ating bansa, sa Pilipinas. So, more than that, our country is on its way to becoming the call center capital of the world. Yung mga BPOs, company, call center company. As the tech industry grows, so lumalago, nag-grow ang ating mga industry when it comes to BPOs or mga call center companies. So, more job opportunities in computer programming and IT. So, yung mga trabaho po dito o yung mga tasking ay writing and testing software codes, maintaining and improving computer programs. What else? Identifying and solving technical problems and preparing software reports and manuals. There you have it. As computer programmers.
Yeah!
The number 2 in demand careers in a ICT or IT course. Systems Analyst. Ito po yun, okay? Number 2 yan, ha? Systems Analyst. With an average salary of 483,917,000 per year. Well, malaki ito, ha? Okay. So, para sa problem solvers, so ito yung kanilang mga magiging trabaho, okay? A systems analyst helps a business find the best system to solve their problems and achieve their goals. So, kung tawagin na ito yung mga troubleshooter, okay? As a system analyst, you'll be the middle person between IT and the non-IT stakeholders. Systems analysts are experts in programming languages, operating systems, and hardware. So what are the tasks? Designing and implementing software or hardware for businesses. Conducting app testing. Managing access levels and passwords. And lastly, providing support in database management. There you have it. As a systems analyst. Next, the number 3 in demand ICT career, web designer. So number 3 po yan, right? Web designer with an average salary of 299,907,000 per year. More or less 300K na ito. Malaking sweldo nito, ha? Combine your love for design and tech. Web designers use their creative and technical skills to design the layout and visuals of a website. Bawa, kung yung mga company papagawa ng sarili nilang of course, company logo, design. So, ito po yung mga gumagawa niya, no? Web designer. These specialists make sure websites are not only aesthetic but also functional. So, creative itong mga web designer na ito para maganda ang dating, ano? Yung presentable ang dating ng company, especially yung kanilang yung logo pa lamang o yung presentation, no? Or cover of your company. So, web design further branches out into specializations. There are 2 specializations. Okay, number 1 is yung UI, user interface, kung tawagin. Design and UX. Okay, so dalawa yan, ano? UI and UX, no? User experience naman design, right? So user interface design and user experience design. So yung user interface focuses on website visuals and user interactions, while yung user experience involves the structure of a website. So ito po yung magiging role nila. So what are the tasking? So designing engaging websites. Another, improving a website's usability to ensure users complete an action. Third, building content management systems or CMS for websites. Fourth, running website test. Lastly, improving a website's page load speed. So ito po yung kanilang mga tasking as a web designer. Next, the number 4 ICT demand. Web developer. So, in partnership po ito ng web designer. Okay? Pero may difference itong dalawang ito. So, as a web developer with an average salary of 290,081,000 per year. 290. Kung sa web designer ang website ay layout, dito naman sa web developer, ang website ay for structure. So, web development involves more technical work using complex coding languages. As a web designer, your job will be translating designs into a functional websites. So, both programmers and web developers do a lot of coding. So, parang nag-coding. Well, the difference, so ang pinagkaiba lamang ay programmers usually build computer applications from scratch or make additional app features, while web developers naman build and maintain websites specifically like their tasking, working with HTML, JavaScript, CSS, PHP, Python, and other web design coding languages. Next, collaborating with designers and creating functional websites. What else? Fixing website issues. Trouble shooter din. And then, monitoring website traffic. There you have it. As a web developer. Woo!